open your browser and head to the link in the description. This will take you to the tool's GitHub repository. Copy the repository link and use git clone to clone it into your desired directory. Once cloned, navigate to the directory using cd. Type ls and you will see a Python file named Fsociety. Since it's an older tool, run fsociety.py using Python. You'll see the Fsociety tool interface. After execution, Fsociety will ask you to accept some agreements. After your consent, you will reach the home page of the Fsociety tool. Here, you can see the list of tasks you can perform, which includes information gathering, exploitation, and much more. I won't go into detail about each function due to community guidelines, but you can test them on your own authorized system. In the end, I just want to say that no tool can make you a perfect hacker. These tools can actually limit your capabilities. You should learn each tool by itself and try to make your own scripts. Don't rely on these tools because they can hinder your development and turn you into a script kiddie. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. Let me know in the comments what other ethical hacking topics you'd like to see covered. Thanks for watching.